A payment dispute occurred during Pandit Pradeep Mishra's Shiv Mahapuran Katha in Nagpura village of Durg district, Chhattisgarh. According to sources, a deal of rupees 1.15 crore was finalized for installing tents and domes for the event. However, the organizing committee reportedly paid only 25 to 30 lakhs. Upset over the unpaid amount, the tent operator tried to remove the pandal after the katha had already started. Police reached the spot and stopped the action. The ACP said removing tents could create panic or a stampede. Both parties were advised to resolve the issue peacefully and the religious event is continuing without disturbance. Bhopal Metro service has officially begun after many years of waiting and planning. Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar and Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav flagged off the first metro train in the city. The metro is currently running on a 6.22-kilometer route between Subhashnagar and Ames. 30 school children were invited to travel on the first ride, making the launch special. The metro project took nearly 7 years to complete. City residents have welcomed the service and saying it will reduce traffic jams, save travel time and provide safe, affordable and modern public transport in the state capital. Indore will host a special event called Shunya Se Shatak on December 21st to celebrate the 100th birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The program will be attended by Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, Governor Mangubhai Patel and Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. The event will highlight Atalji's political journey, vision and contribution to India. Cultural program and speeches are also planned. Large crowds are expected to attend this important national level ceremony. A disturbing video has emerged from Satna District Hospital in Madhya Pradesh. Rats were seen roaming freely inside the SNCU ward meant for critical newborn babies. In the video, a rat is seen carrying food near computers and medical equipment. The video is said to be 2 days old. Similar incidents were earlier reported from hospitals in Indore and Jabalpur. The incident has raised serious concern about hygiene and patient safety. Health authorities have ordered action. Foreign tourists from Switzerland explored Khajuraho using a traditional bullock cart instead of modern vehicles. Tourist Michael Morrell and Ramona visited temples nearby villages and rural areas with their family. They closely observed village life, farms and mud roads and interacted with local residents. The tourists clicked photos and recorded videos of their journey. Locals appreciated their interest in Indian traditions and culture. The visit highlighted rural tourism and cultural exchange in the famous heritage town. In the high-profile Raja Raghuvanshi murder case of Indore, the court has rejected the bail plea of Sonam Raghuvanshi for the third time. Sonam is the wife of the deceased Raja Raghuvanshi and is the main accused in the case. Raja's brother Vipin Raghuvanshi confirmed the latest court decision. Earlier, 2 bail applications filed by Sonam were also dismissed by the court. With this fresh order, Sonam will continue to remain in jail. The case has once again come into public focus and further investigation and legal proceedings are still ongoing in this widely discussed murder case. A tragic incident occurred at Jama Masjid in Khandwa's Hariganj area. Mosque committee member Haji Sheikh Alim Thekedar, age 56, suffered a heart attack while performing wuzu before Isha prayer. He was sitting on the stairs when he suddenly collapsed and died within seconds. The entire incident was captured on CCTV and the video surfaced 2 days later. Doctors declared him dead on arrival at the hospital. The incident has shocked the local community. A 1.5-month-old infant died after vaccination in Kakurwa village of Tatia district in Madhya Pradesh. 3 other infant girls fell seriously ill and were rushed to the district hospital for treatment. The incident happened on Friday evening. Family members alleged negligence by the Anganwadi worker and supervisor. They said the baby's condition worsened soon after vaccination. Health department officials have started an investigation to find the cause and ensure proper medical safety measures.